Hi, this is Liz, and I'm here with a great gift idea. I would love to be doing this with my grandkids, but unfortunately, the time being what it is, I can't. So I'm going to do it with you. And it's called Bliss Bomb, and it's a donut decorating party. So, like, if you want to send this to anybody for their birthday, Father's Day, Memorial Day, whatever, it's a great idea. It comes with donuts, vanilla and chocolate, and then you get three. They're called soaking. You mix it. It comes with you mix it with milk, and you make soakings. You have let me see. The soaking is vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. And now the icing, this is vanilla, is blue. So now you get three of them. You get the vanilla, the chocolate, and the. Okay, so you snip that off. Let me snip them off. This is the strawberry. And the chocolate. And then you're going to decorate it too, because it comes with a bunch of decorations. It comes with all kinds of decorations. You got candies, all kinds of candies. This looks like dried fruit. And of course, the ever popular sprinkle. So this is Bliss Bomb. So, let's see. I'm going to start with the vanilla, and I'm going to put a little vanilla. Just tells you to soak it. I guess to rehydrate it a little bit. Everything's vacuum packed, sealed good. Okay, so there we got the vanilla. And now the vanilla, like I said, is blue. So now you're going to decorate it. I think I made this a little bit too big. Let me see what I'm doing. Oops. Oh, there we go. So, you make a little decorations. And it's dripping, but that's okay. So then after that, you're going to put whatever decorations you want. You can put one of everything. You got the fruit. And you got some sprinkles. And there you have an individual donut. So let me do a chocolate one. This is milk, and everything's included. You just have to add your own milk. The milk is yours. So I'm soaking. You have to soak it first. Oh, I think it's upside down. You know what? Let me turn it around. Yeah, I got them upside down. All right, let's soak it. Okay, we're making a mess. That's okay. So you put everything on a paper towel, and the kids are gonna have a ball. Now the chocolate, I don't know, let's put it with the chocolate. How boring am I? Okay. And there's plenty of frost in here. I mean, you could frost more than this. Okay. Okay. And you're going to frost. How much fun would that be with the kids? Now you're supposed to, after you make them, you're supposed to put them in the refrigerator and let them set up and then eat them. But I'm going to try one right now. Very good. The kids are going to have fun. It's a lot of fun for the family. And you get something good to eat. So it's Bliss Bomb. Comes from Brooklyn. Made in Brooklyn, New York. And you can get it mailed, to whoever you love. send them something sweet to eat. Okay, till next time. Be well and stay well.